The mother whose van was shot at by state police after a traffic stop that went wrong asked today to have the charges against her dropped.
But a judge didn't go for it. News 13's Kayla Ayers is live in Taos with the latest. Kayla?
Jessica, Farrell is charged with child abuse and aggravated fleeing for that chaotic October traffic stop. Today, she alleged irregularities with the grand jury process. Farrell was stopped for speeding near Taos in October but drove off. An officer stopped her again. That's when he pulled her out of a car, pulled a taser on her son, and bashed out a window. Another officer fired at the fleeing minivan. Today, 2 of her kids were in court and consoled her after a judge denied her motion. Farrell's attorneys argued the state failed to let her know a grand jury would be meeting. They said if Farrell had known, she would have testified, and that could have changed the outcome of the grand jury.
Would a jury then find probable cause for child abuse? I think that's debatable. I think that changes the game.
Farrell's attorneys also argued the grand jury wasn't read the proper instructions and there was a problem with the grand jury selection, saying that one of the original jurors was Officer Elias Montoya's sister. Montoya is the then state police officer who fired shots at Farrell's van. She was replaced on the grand jury. The state argued that notice was sent to the detention center where Farrell was being held, that reading general intent instructions wasn't necessary in this case, and that the alternate juror issue was not overreaching.
The defendant, in this court's mind, has failed to show how the results would have substantially changed had the instruction been given and had the defendant been given an opportunity to testify.
The judge did say he will consider certifying the case for an appeal. Farrell's attorneys said they would be submitting a request. Back to you.
Okay, Kayla, the charge against Farrell's now 15-year-old son who got into a scuffle with the officer was dismissed last month.